Dear students, now we are going to learn about English lesson, the bird king. A peacock says, a king looks good. I have beautiful feathers. I have a lovely tail. I can be king. Crow says, a king is very clever. I am clever. I can do many things. I must be king. Crow says, a king is very clever. I am clever. The owl says, a king is wise. I am wise. I can see at night. I will be king. Owl says, a king is wise. I am wise. Myna says, the birds have a race. All birds can fly. The bird king must fly the highest. The bird who can fly far in the sky will be the bird king. The birds have a race. All birds can fly. That is good idea. I can fly very high. Nobody can fly so high. That is good idea. I can fly very high. The race begins. All the birds fly high into the sky. The eagle flies the highest, wins the race. The eagle flies the highest, wins the race. Now the eagle is the king of bird. Now the eagle is the king of bird. Who is the king of bird? The eagle is the king of bird. Thank you.